How to add transition to Instagram Reels. Hello guys, this is Atticus from App Hacks, and in today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add transitions to your Instagram Reels. So let's just get started. First, open up your Instagram, and after you open your Instagram, just go to the video section. So after you're on the video section, what you need to do is make sure that you're on Reel mode. Now make sure that you're not on Story or Post, and after you do so, just record a video. Now record a video from different angles. So let's say if you do this, now the next one you might want to do something like this. And on the next one, you can just zoom out and pick a normal video and just take as many videos as you want and tap on next. So let's say if you do something. So let's say if you do something like and click. Now I've just turned down the camera's volume. Now what you'll need to do is make sure that you zoom in and here tap on this icon. Now here you can choose any pre-built transitions. So here just choose transitions, and after you do so, you will have just simply added transitions and you can just post this video. So now let's just see how this goes now. And there you can see the transition has been added. So it's that simple guys. That is how you add transitions to your Instagram Reels. Thanks for watching. That is all for